It's a bright Wednesday morning. I could see a hawk sailing through the air, closer and closer to the earth. He circled and he spied a little to find a frog near a pond. Like a flash of lightning, the hawk swooped down and sat near the frog. Let us hear what they talk.
What creature are you? I have not seen you before.
My friend, I am a frog. I belong to the family of amphibians. We live both in land and water. We are vertebrates and we cannot regulate our own body heat. So I was sitting here to get some sunlight to become warm and active, and hence we are ectothermic.
Oh, it's strange to hear that.
You know, we have thin bare skin, 4 legs, and a membrane between our toes that helps us to move better in water. We are oviparous, but we don't incubate our eggs after laying them. We do not care for our young ones.
Is it? So you're not a good parent, huh?
True. When the eggs are hatched, we are just small larvae that live in water, and slowly our body goes through a process called metamorphosis. During this process, our front and rear legs, limbs grow, head and body develops, so finally we look like our parents. In the early stage, we breathe through gills, but when we grow, we become adults and breathe through lungs.
It's interesting to hear these facts. Now tell me about your food.
Most of us eat insects, small worms, and snails.
Are toads same like you, frogs?
Toads are amphibians. We both belong to the phylum Chordata. They differ from us because they have dry skin. Toads eat insects and other arthropods. Some even eat reptiles and small mammals. Toads have parotid glands that produce poisonous secretion that help them defend from predators. Now, let me call my friend Salamander. Salamander! See, she's coming.
What name? Salamander. I think it's a lizard, isn't it?
No, I'm a salamander. We have lizard-like appearance. We have slender bodies, blunt snouts, short limbs, and tail. We are cold-blooded. Our skin is also like other amphibians, which serves as a respiratory machine. We have highly conified outer layer, renewed periodically through a skin-shedding process controlled by hormones from pituitary and thyroid glands. We are capable of regenerating lost limbs, and we are very sensitive to environmental changes and pollutions.
So you are that species whom scientists call as indicator species, isn't it?
Yes, we are. We live in or near water, or find shelter in moist grounds, creeks, ponds, or under the rocks. We are generally seen in USA.
What about your food, dear friend?
We are carnivores. We feed on slow-moving prey such as worms, snails, and slugs. Some of us eat small salamanders too.
Oh, it sounds like a cannibal. Anyway, what about your offsprings?
Many of us lay eggs, but the elephant salamander and fire salamander give birth to live offsprings. Our eggs are also like frog's egg. In fact, baby salamanders are like baby frogs. Young salamander in the larva stage are called eft.
Oh, look at that cute creature coming.
That's my friend, Newt. We both belong to the order of Urodilla.
Oh, am I looking cute? That's very nice of you. No one has said to me like this before. Actually, we are small semi-aquatic amphibians. We have 4 legs and a long tail. Most of our species have well-developed lungs, while some retain gills and are completely aquatic.
How do you protect yourself from predators?
The toxins secreted through our skin can kill even a person. We rely on our skin color to camouflage and escape from predators.
What about your food?
We eat slugs, worms, amphibian eggs, tadpoles, and mollusks.
Are you those amphibians who lay about 300 eggs at a time?
Yes, we are. We do not lay eggs in masses or strings. We wrap each of our eggs separately in the folds of a water plant leaf. Do you know we are generally found in North America, Europe, Asia, and North Africa.
Oh, what's that? Is it a snake?
No, I am a Sicilian. Vermiform amphibians. A smaller species resemble worms, while the larger species look like snakes.
Can you see properly? I mean, do you have eyes?
We have very small eyes and we are able to detect differences between light and dark. Our skin is smooth and usually dark. We come in variety of colors: blue, grey, purple, etc. We have glands in our skin that secrete toxins that can damage red blood cells in some animals. We have no arms, but we are powerful diggers. It's difficult to catch us because we are like a bar of soap.
So you are very slippery, isn't it? Fine. Do you lay eggs?
We lay eggs in water or moist soil. We care for our kids once they are hatched.
Oh, good. Frogs should learn this character from you.
We have dozens of needle sharp teeth. We can grab worms, mollusks, small snakes, frogs, and lizards. We belong to the order Apoda.
Where are you generally seen?
We are found in Central Africa, Southeast Asia, Southern Mexico.
So today I could meet some amphibian friends. I am happy to meet you all. Now it's time for me to go in search for food.